Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is BeDistinct. Welcome back to the channel. All I do is mod my G35 and hopefully give you guys some more information on parts you can do to the G35. And today is going to be one of those videos. Now, before I continue, a little update with the channel for those who have been following it for quite some time now. Literally this coming up week, we are getting ready to go to Los Angeles to go purchase the biggest purchase we have ever made on the channel. Pretty much the last thing we need. I'm gonna just say it now. It's boot. But back on video today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 mods that you could buy for your G35, and you could do it for any other car, the 350Z or the G37 or even the 370Z, that can help you reduce weight to make your car faster without actually adding power mods, you know. Now, if you're new to the car world like I was 2 years ago and I'm still learning, if your car has 300 horsepower but it weighs 5,000 pounds, it's gonna be a lot slower than somebody who has 300 horsepower too but weighs only 1,000 pounds. He's gonna freaking smoke you. So it's always a good idea to reduce weight. Let's go ahead and teleport to a way nicer place and nicer setting than this, and let's begin this video. Alright guys, now we are in an undisclosed location. Check it out. The car is looking amazing as always, and man, this would be a nice freaking car meet spot. Look at this. Look, most of them have their own little light and for very nice structure. Look at the parking lot, bro. Amazing, bro. Anyways guys, without further ado, I had my notes on me. I don't know, I think I left them at home. Shoot, darn, whatever. Before we begin this video, these mods to help you reduce weight, some of them are kind of expensive, so let me know if you think it's worth it. I've had experience with some, but with some I have not bought them yet. So if you have, comment down in the bottom section below if you think they're worth it. Also, quick disclaimer, at the end of the video we are going to be talking about some things you can remove from your car to reduce weight that are absolutely free and you don't have to pay anything. Alright guys, so the first modification that you can purchase for your car to reduce weight that I have experience with and I can completely back this up are some aftermarket seats, okay? Whether they're from Corbel like these seats or from Brom. You could even put a launcher for all I care, but the OEM seats for these cars are absolutely heavy as hell. Or 35 pounds per seat that you save, that you reduce by just replacing your OEM seats. Those mother truckers, man, they're heavy. Plus it makes your car look a little nicer, some aftermarket seats. Now seats vary in price, but expect paying maybe $1,200, $1,300, and they can go up and up, especially because you have to buy new brackets. That can be a little bit expensive, but the seats themselves are expensive. So do I think they're worth it? I'm gonna say yeah, just because it makes your car look aesthetically better and it reduces weight at the same time. So I'm gonna say it's worth it. Mod number 2 that you can buy to help reduce weight on your car actually cannot apply to some G35s. What I'm talking about are 2-piece rotors. I couldn't find 2-piece rotors for the regular size, but if you have Brembo rotors or Akabono rotors like this is the big brake kit from Akabono. So for the Akabonos, can shave off 10 pounds per rotor. 10 pounds per rotor, which is 20 pounds shaved off for both fronts. And for the back 2-piece rotors, you can shave off 5 pounds. 30 pounds that you can shave off just by getting 2-piece rotors. Anyways, these rotors, they come at a steep price, y'all, for about $1,100-ish. As for the Brembo rotors, you can shave off 5 pounds per rotor, so 10 pounds for the front, and you can shave off 2.5 pounds per rotor, which equals 5 pounds in the back. Now the third mod on the list is it's a different kind of weight reduction. Now for seats, it just helps reduce the weight of the car. It makes the car lighter, right? But when you buy wheels, it's a different kind of weight because you're reducing the weight that it's a spinning weight, if that makes sense. It's a rotational weight. In simple terms, you're reducing the weight of a piece that spins, right? So when you reduce the weight, it just doesn't reduce its weight. You actually can multiply the effect of the weight reduction, if that makes sense. So you'll feel more of a difference reducing rotational weight than just reducing weights in general, if that makes sense. So with that being said, you can replace your wheels with some lighter wheels, okay? Now the most common known wheel that's super light are the RPF ones. Now those set of wheels can cost you around $1,500 I believe for the 18-inch. If you get 17-inch, they can cost lower, like $1,200. The RPF ones right here, they can weigh anywhere from 17 pounds up to 20 pounds per wheel. Now how much do aftermarket wheels cost or any other wheels? They can weigh anywhere from 25, 26 26 up to 30, 32, 35. The bigger the wheel, the more heavier it gets. Let's just say one aftermarket wheel, 26 pounds, and the RPF ones weight 19 pounds. You're basically saving 5 pounds per wheel, in total 20 pounds. So you're saving 20 pounds in rotational mass or weight. So if you're looking to spin those wheels a lot quicker, consider getting some RPF ones, man. They're the lightest wheel in the game, man. And now that we're a little bit familiar with rotational weight and reducing it, another mod number 4 that you can buy to reduce rotational mass is a new drive shaft. Now this mod specifically applies just for the G35. Now this applies strictly for the G35 because the G35 has a 2-piece drive shaft. The 350Zs already have a carbon drive shaft, so it's already light. The 350Z has no problem, but these elephants here, now this is the luxury of the 350Z, so they don't really care about weight reduction, right? This has a 2-piece heavy drive shaft. So if you go on Z1, you can purchase a aluminum lightweight drive shaft for the G35, and it's not a 2-piece, it's a 1-piece. That way you don't lose power transfer from having 2 pieces. So they have 2 versions on Z1. You can get an aluminum single-piece drive shaft from Z1 for the manual car. You can also get it for your automatic car, so it's not just for manual. Aluminum single-piece drive shaft that can save you 50% in weight compared to the OEM. And if you want to upgrade to the carbon fiber one, 40% of what the OEM one weighs. So essentially you're saving up to 60% in weight savings from getting a carbon one. As I cut off from the original video, that's because our 5th model was going to be a lightweight flywheel and clutch kit, which you can still get. You shave off about 18 pounds. But I wanted to talk about this one because this one amazes me, and I'm talking about none other than your exhaust. I'm going to compare the OEM, which is super heavy, and I'm going to compare it to Tomei, which makes titanium exhaust. So they're extremely light, but they're also really expensive. All right guys, let me give you guys some numbers because you guys are going to be shocked. Here we go. The axle back, so like the single exit Tomei compared to the OEM dual. The dual OEM one comes in at 54 pounds. Damn, are you said 54 pounds? The Tomei, 12 pounds. Then we move on to the white pipe. OEM white pipe, 14.33 pounds. Now you may say, oh, that's not too bad. Tomei, 5 pounds. Are you kidding? Okay, this is not even the craziest one. This is the craziest one. The OEM catalytic converters come in at a whopping 20 pounds. They're heavy. You know how much are the Tomei test pipes? Your car's gonna be stupid loud. Trust me. But you know how much they weigh? 3 pounds. 3 pounds. Are you kidding me? I did the total number. If you have a full Tomei exhaust from test pipes all the way to the single exit, you come in at 20 pounds. Now, if you do all OEM, the OEM exhaust comes in at a whopping 88 pounds, y'all. If you want a full Tomei, that's gonna cost you like 2,000 bucks to have the whole thing. But it's definitely worth it because not only do you save weight with the Tomei, you get amazing sound and amazing quality and titanium, bro. Are you serious? Now that's gonna conclude today's list for 5 top mods that you can buy to reduce weight for your G35, 350Zs, or G37s, or 370Zs. But anyways, let's move on to some things that you can do right now. Literally right now, go to your car. You can literally do this for free to help you reduce weight. Now, the first thing you can do to your car to help you reduce weight is remove the spare tire that you have in your trunk. Now, just take in mind, once you take that spare tire out and you get stranded in the freeway, you won't have a spare tire. So you're really gonna have to call someone to come bail you out. This is a liability disclosure. I don't want anybody coming to my video, yo, you told me to take off the tire, now I'm stuck here, what do you mean? So relax. Thing number 2 you can do to your car to reduce weight is remove the back seats, or you can shave off about 35 pounds. Now that includes removing the back seat and the actual seat in the front. I'm probably asking, why haven't I removed it? I personally like the look of the back seats. I don't want it to look all janky, you know, like if you remove the back seats, you're gonna see where the fuel pump goes out. It might smell like gasoline, you might hear a little bit more rattle, there could be something there, and it just looks nice. I want to keep it like that. But if you really don't care about looks and you just want speed, bro, what are you doing? Take off those back seats, take off the panels, literally take off everything in this car, the interior, take off everything. All right guys, so that pretty much concludes our list. Hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of ideas or enlightened you to products or mods that you didn't know before that you can do to help you reduce weight on your car. Now these are not the only mods that you can do to reduce weight. There are a lot of other mods you can do to reduce weight. You can get a lighter hood, carbon fiber hood. You can get lighter trunk, carbon fiber trunk. You can get carbon fiber doors from Cybon. They're $2,200 per pair. They're a little bit expensive, but you shave off 35 pounds per door, not in total, per door, which gives you a weight saving of 70 pounds shaved off just from getting carbon doors. Anyways guys, I'll catch you next week. Very excited, going to Los Angeles, picking up the I know I keep repeating it, but I'm super excited, man. I'm never boosting. Anyways guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Stay safe, be smooth, be distinct. Love y'all guys. Peace out.